How to pay with Monzo on your phone. The method depends on which phone you use, iPhone or Android. Let's get started. If you're using an iPhone, new method iOS 26 or later. It's super simple, just tap your physical Monzo card on the back of your iPhone and it will be added to Apple Wallet automatically. You'll be asked to enter your PIN to verify it's you, no extra steps needed in the app. Older method iOS versions before 26. On iPhone, open the Wallet app, then tap the plus plus button to add your card. On Apple Watch, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then tap Add Card. On iPad, open Settings, select Wallet and Apple Pay, then tap Add Card. On MacBook with Touch ID, open System Preferences, select Wallet and Apple Pay, then click Add Card. In all cases, you'll need to open the Monzo app to complete verification. If you're using an Android phone, you have two options. Option 1. From the Monzo app directly. Tap the card button on the account you want to set up, then tap Add to Google Pay and follow the steps. Option 2. From the Google Wallet app. Download the Google Wallet app from the Google Play Store, follow the instructions to add your card, then open the Monzo app to approve the request. Important notes. Monzo only supports Apple Pay and Google Wallet. Samsung Pay, Garmin Pay, and Fitbit Pay are not supported. Also, you can only remove and re-add your card twice every 24 hours and 3 times every 30 days. If you go over this limit, it won't work until the time resets. Once you're done, you're all set to pay with your phone anywhere. Contactless payments are accepted. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe.